Siya naman daw, it's his turn to jog. Do you do this every day, Tay?
Huh?
Do you do this every day?
Ano?
Do you jog every day?
Yeah.
For how many minutes?
30 minutes
30 minutes every day?
jogging.
Nice. Yes. Every morning.
Every morning.
I think it's those corn. Ano? I hope it's not gonna rain.
Mais.
Ha?
Mais yan.
I hope it's not gonna rain because we're gonna go to the zoo later in the afternoon. See, Leah.
Kanila yun dun.
Yeah. They knew me. They asked me when did I
Kilala ka pala
arrive.
na.
Oh yeah, Tay. Eh, di ba? There were only 2 houses here before. It's their house. And I remember it's Ate Susan Garcia. Who
Garcia
has the
Residence.
house. Yeah. And then their house. Because I remember
This,
there were
house
lots of
ano,
there were lots of
Vincent.
dogs in their
Yeah.
house. But we used to go closer to their house because they have lots of kamachili tree. We used to steal kamachili tree. Because there are lots. And don't sell it. And we were done. Okay, bye-bye. Try this. I know. Ayun yung red. I wonder what's that fruit? No?
Ano yan?
See, you don't even know too. Department of Agriculture, 1898.
Mais yan,
Wait.
ulat yan eh.
Well, hindi. I mean, wala naman yung dati eh.
Oo.
Maybe it's
Hindi
just
wala yan dyan.
recent. Yeah. You know, maybe because the Department of Agriculture was organized in 1898.
Organized.
Panahon ng Castilla.
Sila.
Spanish era. Hi, Jeng. Hi, JD. We're here again in front of your grandma's house.
This is house of Mother of Ding.
Yay! Oh, there are goats there. Goatie. You know, there's another, ano yun? See those red? I wonder what are those. Wait. Ito, ano natin yan? Oh no, these are little bitter melons. Tiny little bit. Oh. Nice bougainvillea. I didn't appreciate bougainvillea before, but now they are so beautiful. I used to cut them. I don't know. It's just part of my childhood. Ay, ang ganda nung ano na yun. Oh, that's a nice plant oh.
Planto.
Ano? Ganda. Daming solar panel na ngayon, no, Tay?
Oh.
Solar panel eh.
Uso ngayon yan.
No.
Pag gabi, maano kayo eh.
Oh, there's another, kay Ashley din, kay na ating Eva din ba yun, Tay?
Wow,
No, yung kay Kuya, yung banda kay na Kuya Santo yun, oh.
Kaya hindi siya gabon.
Those red houses, those are my
Yan, nakapintura ka
cousin's
nila yan.
house. My auntie's house. Nice. Yeah, it's not obvious that their favorite color is red and orange. It's actually red because it's red is more prominent. I have lots of childhood memories in that place, Paco. We called it Paco. And I remember there was just only little kubo, little house, and lots of mango trees and kamachili trees. Ayo, JD. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Papu, JD. Papu, JD, oh, lolo.
Hindi pa mano. Bayad siya sa siguro na eh.
Sai, ali mag-video. Sai, it's
Hi.
Papu, Simon, JD, Lucky.
Looking.
There's a Carabao.
Carabao.
Come visit the Philippines soon. Bye po.
Sige par.
You in that area, that's my school.
Elementary school.
Yeah. And then there's a big building now. It's just a tiny building. Many years
This is
ago.
new building.
No? Dami yung building.
New building.
No?
This year mo
That's
yan.
where I studied elementary, grade school. Of course, I'm one of the top performing students. Just kidding. Not really.
Yeah. What year
Not
ka?
really. They know. In my mind, it's just play. I don't. Oh, in my mind, it's all about play. Play, play, play. It's all about recess. Eh,
In my mind, all about place.
no play. Play, play. Recess. My favorite subject is recess.
This
Recess.
is the house of Andoy Garcia. Okay. Magtinda kang harap.
Oh, ito mainit na. I'll put my shades na. Now I can see that I can wear my shades. I can wear my shades.
Tapos na.
Okay. I wanna go pee. So it's 7:46 time check. Okay. Jade, look at this beautiful pomelo tree. Ang ganda. Binibenta ba nila to, Tay?
Hindi. No.
They don't sell this. It's just a background or just their background. That's nice. Miracle, hindi ba talaga suha? So he said they are not suha. They are a miracle fruit.
Sa
I
gamot
wonder-
sa ano, diabetes.
I wonder what but the taste.
Papainit mo yan, tapos baksak mo.
Wow.
Mabibiyak. Ito is
Ano
no
yung
place
bahay
sa...
tatay?
Ayan, gudi mo.
Pare kuya yan.
Resort.
This is another resort.
Wow.
So wait. So there's 1, 2,
3.
3, 4.
1, 2, 3.
And then yung pinuntahan natin kanina.
Wow.
Oh, that's nice. Let's explore the resort one of these days. If I have time. I'll find time to check on. I'll ask Ashley to tour me on their resort. Whew, it's so nice in here. Okay, those are harvested rice. Okay, we're here again. That's the court. I used to be here all the time with my friend every single day. Huh? Oh, there's a water station there. Here pala. And my cousin has a water station too.
Water station. Kanya yun.
Which one?
Yan kay Tuti.
Ah!
Anak niya Pambuning.
Oh, nice.
Water station. Siyang may-ari. The owner.
Okay, oh, there's a banana fruit over here. Okay, so
Pwede
let's...
ba?
Okay. So we're back here. We're back here
We're back here. Buhong now.
in Ang's place, Anitang's place. Yes. This is where we grew up. Ha ha ha, nice. Now let's explore this area. What are these plants? There's an okra,
Wala na eh. Na ano na eh.
papaya
Dati upo
tree,
yan dyan eh. Papaya.
mango tree.
Mango
This
tree.
is the house of Ating Sene.
Ihaw.
The I think it's closed na. Let's see if it's open. Who's the key holder? Ah, it's locked.
Dati kay Titit.
Okay, yeah.
Titit is the
The key holder.
holder.
Okay. And that's the resort. We went there the first night. Oh no, on Sunday night. But I just didn't take a video.
No, wait.
Hello, doggies. Hello. It's just me.
Papain nyo nang. Bila.
Kaya tingnan natin yung bahay ng Nangtay before we go there. Let's check my grandma's house. Hoy! Hello, doggies. Bakit makalisla din yung doggy, oh? Bakit makalisla? Makalunos sila? Wow. Ay, sila. Okay. Ay, makanalo. Lako ko ba rin sapatos ko?
Sige, Noya, mo nalalako!
Wait.
mo!
Kalikos ko saan ko lang parang titis mo. Okay. Oh, kuya. Siniglagi sulo mo. Oh. Ano? Tinted? That's nice. O bakit nang malati ko? Feeling ko ang nakaragul yung balay lang. No? Eh? Yeah. This is where I used to live. This is their living area. Wala ka. Okay. Living area, and then this is the kitchen. Before. Yan, kwarto na yan, kuya. Tapos yung side kayo, di ba kaya dati niya? Ala na lugar na. Ah, tingnan kain Ano yan, okay mo? CR. Kita kain, no karingit na, no lamanan kita. Ah, tingnan kain ako. Nalamanan, nita kuya. Karakal mo solar panel, mas nanting na rin. Yeah. I don't know, when I was young, I feel like the house was so big. No? So maybe because I just grown up. I'll check on that. It was just a quick one. I just want to see ating Sanis. I think on the other side, it was all rice fields. Doggy. Oh, see? It's open. Ay, ini masanting niya. Ay. Ha? Ha? Tengo, this is your house. Whoa, nice. Ano yan? Tengo, kasanting na, oh. Ah, hindi kayo matutad pa ya. There. Oy, kasanting na ng bed kayo ng ating. Ah, fit na. Nice. Ate yung aircon natin, Ted. Fully kaya pala, fully furnished siya. Ay, ate niya pa salamin, oh. Look at that.
Balo ko sa Elinor, no? Yan ang hindi ang gamit ko.
Ah, oh, nice. Something na.
Pinay gamit.
Bakit na? Yan lang, ano din, Ted? What is this?
Itong nanay, itong...
Ah, kaya na. Ay, wow, masanting yapi.
Kasi,
Wow. Bala mo style kaila ka makantini kondo la kay style. Pero mantini la usually kada golden kondo na tang one bed. Nice. Something na. Bakit na?
Oh, ano yung dahil mo daw? Ito,
Bakit kaya kang ating ni?
oras kayo muwi po, ma.
Ha? Alas 9. Yun, may riban na kay mama ako. Ima ako may kulay abo ah.
Matagal
Pero hindi punta lang mila Ribarok. Pero punta lang mila pa yung Mangilan. May kay kami eh. May kami. May jogging kami tayo.
Kasi, higit nila.
Ha?
Higit nila. O, nanay.
Sabi ng tito, there are eggplants here. I just want to check it out. Because I used to plant eggplants in Winnipeg. So see what their eggplants look like. Ano ba? Puro mais. Nasaan ang eggplant? Ayun! Those are the eggplants. Oo nga, no? Oh, there are papaya tree here. Ay, ang cute! Ang cute! Wala pang bunga. Ayan, pero lalaki din yan. Kaganda ah. So, we used to play here every single day. Nicolot, shout out. And my brother. And syempre, my cousins, Justin, Ashley, Jiro. But now, they live there. Look how time flies. Diba? Now they have a coffee shop. What else? Minimart. Name it. Clothing wear. Santing dako ya? Alili kayo man kuma. Ayun, may nagtal na kapin. Kasanting dako ya. Kanino na palay ni Kuya? Ah, kangating nga ba na yan? Wow, nice. Kanino yung balay ito? Itang balay nga ito? Ining balay nga ni Kuya. Di ba karanyang kay dati niya? Karanyang Fernando?
Tayo.
Ay, itang dati? Alina yung karanyang Fernando?
Kain kita sa natin piting.
Ah,
Ay, Bartolo.
Bartolo. Ah,
Balasyanas siya. Barang tagtagan ng balasyanas.
alin Kuya? Para ka nala. Pilang kang kain mo. Uy, kasanting Dariano. Ashley. Ali Kuya, makuha kami. Munta kami kari. Ha? Munta kami kari Mangilin. Makuha kami penandit. Punta lang may Barok. Ako pa Liya, mamasyal kami. Sige Kuya, muli na kami. Nilaway ako laring kahardin mo. Yung hasanda mo. Kasante? Kasante? Ora, hindi pa rin yung tree dati ng malati ko na Kuya. Nice. See? There are still the mango when I was young, so this has been like 30 plus years. Whoa! 30 plus year mango Okay, doggies, come here. Come, let's go home. Bogart, Whitey, come here. Bogart, Whitey, Brownie, come here. Okay, we're back na. Ay. Okay, we're back. Brownie, happy? Happy Brownie? Okay, let's go to Mangilan before we eat breakfast. What's this? Oh, Kai irrigation. An irrigation? Nata water something. Ha? Okay. Kain muna tayo, Tay. Mag-breakfast muna tayo. Okay, I'll just clean my shoes. Inang's house. Okay. This is the church. This is the church where I go to every Sunday. Every Sunday. And I used to serve as a reader. Well, a commentator. Here, let's step in the, I think, the house. Inang's house. Gonna tayo tayo mga ilan. Okay. Kai, dito! Lumabas ka na. Ano ba? Ikaw ba ito talaga dito? Ha? Dilap mo na, ma?